Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 11th, and this is my market recap of the pound US dollar. So we're going to look at it on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely check out my free trading community on Discord. Link is at the end of this video in the corner and in the description. If you'd like to check out my membership program, you do so on my website, fxpipcollector.com. Get you access to all the benefits listed below and more for only $30 per month. So we had a nice impulsive move up today. We had a nice breaker starts on the pound dollar. Hopefully, what this is an A, a B, and a C, and that this really is the end of a crescent. And that over the next day or so, it ends up making higher highs, higher lows. Tomorrow is CPI inflation data. It would be a really good day for us to break that daily time frame structure, confirming that we really have a trend reversal. Until we break that daily time frame structure, we have to be a little bit careful because the daily trend is down. There's always a chance that this could end up turning back down. So if you do get some sort of a break of structure to the downside, some sort of a nice engulfing move to the downside, be very cautious. It could keep going down. I'm definitely hoping this is the end of a wave C, and if it really is the end of a wave C, then it will definitely not do that. It could pull back a little bit, but more than likely it would make a higher low and it would just keep on trending up. So just like I said, pay very close attention. If it's the end of a wave C, you'll get higher highs, higher lows. If it's not the end of a wave C, and it really is going to go down, then it will probably give you a break of structure like that, showing you that it's back into the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.